Welcome to Food Dialogues, dialogues with food and about food. So Food Dialogues brings to you a very flavorful multigrain vegetable soup, a one-pot quick cooking soup. The ingredients for this soup are, I've taken 2 tablespoons of a multigrain powder. The ingredients that are a part of this powder is given in the description box. 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of boiled barley, 1 medium finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of finely grated carrot, 1 small finely chopped tomatoes, and 3 tablespoons of cabbage. Now let's see how to make this delicious soup. Heavy bottomed pan, I've added butter. The butter is now melted. So in goes in the chopped onions. Going to give it a quick saute. The cabbage. Carrots. And tomatoes. I'm just going to allow this to saute for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add 600 ml of water. That is 3 standard cups of water. After 3 minutes, I'm going to add the 600 ml of water, a little bit of salt, and I am allowing this to come to a boil. The water has begun to boil. Now I'm adding in the cooked barley. You can cook the barley in this water also. Since I had some cooked barley, I have added that to this. So this is a quick one-pot soup, suitable for a wholesome meal, a quick snack, a diabetic snack too. Now I have made a slurry with the multigrain powder. Now I'm going to add this slurry into the boiling soup, and once we add this, it requires constant stirring till this multigrain powder gelatinizes. You can use plain ragi flour, plain jowar flour, a mix of ragi, jowar and other millets. You can also use the readily available health mixes for making this flavorful soup. The flour gelatinized well into a smooth liquid. The soup is boiling with all the vegetables finely cooked. Now we are going to add in the flavorings. Today I've decided to make this soup with a Chinese flavoring. You can add the usual salt and pepper flavoring and serve it to your family. Today we are going to see a Chinese flavoring. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Going to simmer the flame. 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. And 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Allow the sauces to mix in well before switching off the flame. The soup is now ready to be served. You can have this as the best starter for your evening meal, a mid-morning snack or an evening snack on a rainy day. It can be served as a weaning food to your toddler too, but take care, no sauces or vinegar, just salt and a pinch of pepper. Now once the soup is done, you can check for the salt and add in case it's necessary. If you have noticed, I have added just a pinch of salt at the beginning because the sauces contain salt too. So now this flavorful multigrain one pot quick cooking soup is now ready to be served. The ingredients for this recipe is available in the description box that is being given below. You can even check out on my blog fooddialogues.com.